So hey there everybody, as always, welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out for a few. My name's Rich, I'm the channel host, and normally we're talking about building our small drone businesses, doing tutorials, talking through flight apps, and talking about new drones. Today, this is going to be a really quick one. I'm finally caught up on 4 different projects that are going on, so we got everything out the door for the clients. And I've got 2 days before we start into the crazy schedule again. In the meantime, while I've got just a few days of downtime, I'm going to be doing some renovations to azdrone.net. You know, that website has been so sorely neglected. I've spent so much more time on our See My Build and working direct with our construction clients. But azdrone.net is a regularly trafficked website where potential customers are popping in, and I wanted to put together just a new little advertising video. So a few days ago, when I didn't really have time to do it, but a few days ago, I went into GPT, there we go. And I asked ChatGPT just to write me a 2-minute script, talking about the type of work we do in our business. And it put together that 2-minute script for me really nicely. So right here up on screen, it says from ChatGPT, an intro, 10 seconds, opening shot of a construction site, heavy machinery, workers. You can take the suggestions, you can leave the suggestions. But bottom line, this put together a really nice, quick little video for me. And I'm going to be doing some editing probably today, but I thought I'd share this with you, show you the quick little advertisement that's going to be going up on azdrone.net. It's not finalized. There's a couple things as I read through it and was playing around with it. I want to alter a couple things to have my voice in there a little more than ChatGPT's. So it's not bad using ChatGPT as a helper, especially if you're not comfortable writing up scripts for yourself or writing up blog posts about your business and what you're doing in your business. It's highly understandable that you might want to use a tool like this. I know we're all worried about AI, but in this case, we still have to tie it into our own businesses and make it ours as well. So ChatGPT did a really nice job for me. And now we're going to stop right here and we're going to watch this little advert. Now, like I said, I'm going to be making some changes today. And those will probably go up over the weekend once I'm satisfied. But I thought I'd share you this, intermediate step in the process. Check out the quick little video, and we'll be right back after you watch it. In the fast-paced world of construction, monitoring progress and ensuring safety is paramount. That's where advanced technology steps in. Meet the future of construction monitoring: drones. Drones are revolutionizing the construction industry by providing a bird's-eye view of an entire project. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, these drones capture every detail with precision. Construction managers and stakeholders can now remotely monitor progress in real time. Live data feeds enable instant decision-making, ensuring projects stay on track. Drones easily access hard-to-reach areas, reducing the need for risky human inspections. Safety is improved as potential hazards are identified early. Whether it's tracking materials, monitoring site conditions, or assessing environmental impact, drones can cover it all. Time-lapse videos created from drone footage provide an incredible visual record of the project's evolution. In the world of construction, every second and every detail matter. Drones are the future of construction monitoring. Embrace the technology that's changing the game. Elevate your construction projects with drone monitoring today. All right, everybody. So like I said, that was just a quick little intro video. We kept it under 2 minutes. ChatGPT did a really nice job for me in getting me thinking in the right direction. So you can utilize ChatGPT, of course, to write up articles and, fill your web pages, but you can also use it as that kind of helper where you don't know exactly what to say. And when you run it through ChatGPT, you might get some great suggestions on the type of verbiage that you want to use, be it on a little video advert like this, or even showcasing some of your beautiful drone video over gorgeous places that you visited and you want to do a voiceover there. ChatGPT can help you out with that as well. So just wanted to share that one. I hope you all have an awesome weekend. I get just a little bit of time off, and actually today is Friday, so Sunday our crazy schedule starts back in. Basically next week we are going to be flying every single day for a couple of projects and some project wrap-ups. So you'll probably see a little of that after the 21st of October once I get myself caught up again. All right, everybody, have an awesome one. As always, thanks for stopping by. Feel free to leave comments and questions below. I always get to them, I promise. We'll see you.